mwĩkũĩrwo ũyũ ũmwe arathĩtwo thutha wa kũhobanĩrio nĩ borithi arĩa mararĩ mũriũngo ũtukũ itũũra-inĩ rĩa Regeni Kĩno, gũkũ angĩ atano marahota gwĩthara rĩrĩa borithi marahanyũkire kũhonokia akombori arĩa kwao kũratuĩtwo na gũtharĩkĩrwo nĩ ekinaĩ aya. Kũringana na komanda wa borithi Kikuyu Ronald Kirui, mũcinga wa gwĩthondekera hamwe na nduthi igĩrĩ iria mĩkora ĩno ĩrahũthagĩra nĩ ciraiyũkirio nĩ borithi.
Swift action of our officers deterred them from carrying out their heinous act. In that process, we were able to recover the phones which had already been stolen, a laptop, a jacket, and recovered the firearm, an improvised firearm, Jericho firearm, which they were using to commit the crime. The improvised firearm is capable of firing, which they used to engage our officers.
Kirui nĩ arahoya mũingĩ kũhũra riboti wona macemania na arĩa marahotire gwĩthara marĩ na nguraro cia njirũngi, akĩongerera nĩ manjĩrĩirie ũthuthuria nĩguo makũrane ene nduthi iria rĩu irĩ moko-inĩ ma borithi Kikuyu.
I want to appreciate the member of the public who gave us the report, who alerted our officers who were on patrol, who responded very, very swiftly and were in a position to calm down one of them, as well as stop them from robbing this.
Mũingĩ nĩ ũcokeirie borithi ngatho nĩ kũmetĩka na gũkinyũkia ikinya rĩa naihenya gũthara arĩa maratharĩkagĩrwo.
Walinisikia hapo kwa gate, wakanileta wakaniingiza kwa nyumba ya tenant, tukiwa na tenant na familia yake. Hapo ndo akashika wakaanza kutupiga, wakasema tutoe pesa kwa account watumie, tukaa hizo wakatubibia masimu. So vile mapolisi walikuja kwanza mashambulizi, sijui vile tenant alitoka kwa nyumba na watu wake, nikabaki kwa nyumba kwa choo na mtoto nimejifungia. So mwezi mmoja alikuja akanipata kwa choo, akaanza kunipigia kwa choo, akataka kuchukua mtoto lakini nilikuwa na mtoto. So vile polisi waliingia hadi sijui vile nilitoka na mtoto, nilijipata tu kwa gate niko na mtoto lakini nimeumia, nimegongwa.
So yesterday we had a robbery at my place. I was accosted with robbers while entering my home. So apparently when I got to the gate, there was a vehicle that was trailing me behind. So immediately the gate was opened. So the robbers managed to enter the gate as I was parking. So they clobbered the caretaker, brought the caretaker to my home, and I really had the worst 15 minutes of my lifetime. So they terrorized us inside. There were around 6 guys, and I really appreciate the response that we had from our police.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Regeni Kĩno, Kikuyu kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.